Welcome back to my channel. So let's hop right into the video. As y'all can see from the title, I am doing a review on this unit that was sent to me via Sam's Beauty. Shout out to Sam's Beauty. This is the Butta Lace unit number 3. Now I saw this unit. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. Of course it got popular when it was launched, which was in the summer. Can't say the exact month or whatever, but I remember it was summertime. Of course I wanted to get my hands on it, but it was sold out. So when Sam's Beauty asked me, pick out a few wigs, girl, I'm like, I'm gonna just go back. I've been on this old thing kick, so I'm gonna go back and get some older wigs. So I got Butta Lace unit 3. So I wanted to come and show y'all the reason I'm here, a little bit different than what y'all normally see me like. Normally, like, I come with a cake with the icing on it, and now I'm like a dried up muffin. It's okay. I'm still gonna get some icing on. Like, pipe down, girl. All right. I just want to come and show y'all what wigs look like straight out the box. This one happens to look really good straight out the box. Curl pattern, real good. It has that, what's the whole claim to fame about these wigs is the Butta Lace. So the lace is supposed to, melt right on down into the skin. It has baby hairs. It has the adjustable straps in there, the 4 combs, and it also has a defined parting space. Okay, so this is my unit. I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on my cap and my unit, and I'm trying it on for y'all right now. All right, let's try to get her over this dome right here. I already did the straps, so. Oh, wait a minute now. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me zoom in. Let's see that lace. Okay, so the lace is definitely giving me, it gives me butter vibe. Oh, look at that. This is one thing I hate about these wigs. See, look. This is why I'm glad I'm doing this. So I can be real transparent with y'all. Just how some shit happens. I done tore my lace just that quick. I'm still gonna make it work though, but be very careful with these lace. Cautionary tale. Be very careful with these lace because as you can see, it will rip on your ass, okay? And if you are not a wig expert, you're going to have to come and ask me for some advice or something. I don't know, girl, but don't be looking crazy, all right? Anyways, the lace looks really good. You could go in theoretically and do a little bit of plucking and ducking. Honestly, I don't do that for all these. I'm not doing all that for synthetic wig. That's gonna tangle and not. I don't have it in me. Kudos to you girls that do, but I just don't have it in me. So what I am gonna do right now though is go ahead and cut the lace, finish my face, and come back with my final thoughts. All right, so last time you see a dry muffin, all right, just give me 1 second. Give me one. Right, and I've been fiddling around with it for like 10 minutes, y'all. I'm trying to get back to everything, back into like serious recording mode and figuring out what I like and what I don't like. But anywho's, this is the final look. Let me get close to y'all real quick. Show you what the lace looking like. It's probably not gonna focus. Oh, it is gonna focus. All right, so y'all can see what the lace look like up close. I put a little concealer in it. The concealer is a little hot, I ain't gonna lie, up close, but as you can see from afar, it ain't doing that. So as you can see from afar, it's giving totally different vibes. I adjusted my lighting again just right now, so if I look a little different, hopefully this look a little bit better. I want my melanin one showing, and I'm a black girl. I like to look black, and when I'm looking washed out, I don't like that. But anyways, I am so happy with this unit. I have her in the color 1B, and I'm happy I got her in 1B. I actually, fun fact, was going to order her in a 1, but she was out of stock. So my girl over at Sam's Beauty went ahead and sent her to me in the 1B instead. And I actually like it like this because I feel like this is really dark. And as y'all know, a 1 is darker than a 1B. And sometimes I don't like when my hair is too dark. I feel a little bit washed out. I wish I did have, honestly, a little bit of color. This wig does come in so many different colors, so many color variations, blondes and browns and all that good jazz. So I think I am going to go back and purchase with my own money another color of this unit. Now I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all see this hair is big and full and curly. This is giving me 4 full bundles of some, gotta be at least, because I'm 5'9", and it's hitting me like under the boobs. Has to be at least 26, 28 inches long. So with that being said, and it's synthetic, it's not human hair, it's not gonna not tangle. Even human hair is gonna tangle and shed and all that good jazz. So it's definitely a tangler. It's definitely one of those wigs that you're not gonna be able to wear a whole week straight and still gonna be expecting it to look good. No ma'am, you're gonna look like an alley cat by the end of the week. It is what it is. But for the price point that it's at right now, the color variations that they have, how nice textured I think the hair is. It's not too shiny, but it's not giving me too dry either, because I don't want a big dry curly wig. It's giving me that right amount of luster. I definitely would recommend it, and it's big head friendly. So big head friendly is like 50% of the way with me. If a wig can get over this dome, I am happy as all out and ever. Anyways, y'all, I do hope that y'all will check this company out. Check out this wig. Definitely check out Sam's Beauty. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending me these units. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new wig review. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all later. Bye.